welcome back to another Minecraft video. So today we are playing AOT Minecraft. So it's been a while since we do the AOT first battle, so it's the boss fight. And I'm inside of the house because there's so many titans there. Look at this. Oh frick. Wait. What the? Craig Galliard. Oh, it's Aaron Jaeger. He's here. So you see the Hazel, right? Ow. So we can go there. Maybe next time, okay? Oh my god. Where even is the Titans, bro? There's so many there. Here, wait. Just wait. Here. Look. Gonna net up. Look, there are so many Titans. Look, there's so many Titans. You see that? I'm so sorry for a wife. Oh my god. You're not going to kill me. Oh my god, there's so many Titans outside. I just saw it when I applied the mod. Shit, this Titan, bro. I am not even good at fighting Titans. Oh my god. Needed to spam the... Okay, so you can't even get here. Stupid ditch, bro. Come on. Pot. Bakit ganon? Hindi ko matamaan. What the fudge? Die, okay? Die. Fuck this shit, man. Dun. So, kung makakapatay tayo ng daming Titan, there's a freaking force fight. This is fucking Titan. Okay, someone's attacking a soldier. Oh, frick! What? Okay, so the next boss fight is actually Porco because he's the Joe Titan. And it's just crawling up. Put. I'm so sorry for the buggy. I'm so sorry for the buggy things, okay? Can't even attack the Titans. I needed to attack it. Dun. Oh no. Kinain ako. Figuring out how to kill the Titan. Okay, so we needed the settings. Touch. Split controls. I hate that thing, bro. My guy. If you hit the thing up with split control, so it will hit so many attacks. Sumaki no kuwa rasa nanay mo. Ang lakas nila kumagat, parang nandudukot. Ayun oh. Ina kayo. Kung ako lang si Levi Ackerman eh. Kailangan ko na tong patayin eh. I need to kill this fucking thing. I need some food. Shasha Bros. What? Lonely. I'm so freaking lonely. Oh my god. He just swallowed me, bro. Like, with you. Oh no. I don't know, my gosh. What the? I need to dig some gravel. I can't even swim in the water. There you go. So easy. So easy to swim in the water. Slay. This is lame. Agaho. Ay puta. Oh. If I just had the thunder spear, I will go in to kill that shitty tricky thing. Oh my god. Another tutorial video, guys. If you wanted to play this stupid mod, then go there. There's so many reports, okay? I don't care about the reports. Who gives a fuck about them? If it didn't work, I didn't care. Okay? It's just your only mod. Fucking. Oh frick. Is she holding me? His attacks is so long. I've done this for too long and I can't even kill him. Frick. Oh my god. My phone is lagging. There's so many MBs. Oh my god. How many is your life? How many is your life, bro? How freaking many? Come on here. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. I'm being aggressive. I can't even use the net because... Oh. Oh. Ah ha ha ha. Yun. Oh. Yun! I didn't know that. Okay. I needed the axe. I'm so sorry for that. They're so noisy. They're so noisy, okay? Don't be mad at me. Bestial. Are freaking shit. Get off. You kidding me? Zombies gonna kill me now. What? I just dropped my Shasha. I was just slain by a zombie. These fucking zombies. Did she get the Shasha potato? Did she get the Shasha potato? No, you can't get it. No, you can't. Die, fucker. You too. Die. Okay. Give me the Shasha potatoes. Here you go. I don't care about the Wesley thing. Is that Rainer? Is that the Rainer? Or is that the Rainer? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, didn't mean to. Is that Rainer? Fuck. Shasha potato, I can't. Oh shims. What the? My phone is too laggy, bro. Like, oh freaking. Titaya. Who gives a fuck about you, okay? I don't give a fuck. You just needed to die, okay? Frick, shims. Water! Water is annoying me now. Why they're always in the water? Are you kidding me? They're big titans, bro. Like, you want titan gel? Oh fuck. You know, you want a boss fight right now? I will kill someone or somebody here and get some boss fight. Eren Jega. Eren Jega. Nubla. I'm just lagging and fuck you, nigga. Okay, fuck you. Oh. Oh! He's like a baby zombie, you know that? He's so fast. Oh, there's an anvil. Wait. Can I shush a potato? Shasha. Is my spelling wrong? I don't know. My spelling is wrong. I think. Potato. Eren Jega. Die Eren Jega. Eren Manega. Oh my god. What the? Are you a good guy, bro? Nobody gives a shit. Bro, you can't even attack me. Wanna die? Oh my god, he just punched me up. First boss fight. Second boss fight is going to be Eren Jigger. He's so noob, bro. Oh, fling, fling, fling. He just punched me up, bro. Okay, there's 3 strikes. If I didn't do this, I will die. Ooh, 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 ooh. Eren Jigger, Eren Jigger, Eren Jigger, transform into monster. Okay, nigga. Third attempt. Please, 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 please. Fight. We need to fight, we need to fight, we need to fight. She's getting hungry. She's getting hungry. Reading me? Whoa, 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 third attempt. Oh my god. That thing exploded to my freaking face. Dun, dun, dun. I'm so high. What? I'm so tired about this anymore. Okay, porco. 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 Chill. Very chill. Skeletons. Skeletons. Stupid little. Stupid little. Oh my god. I'm already lost. I'm already lost. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.